Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn ping testing network connection in Linux. The ping command is used to test the connection and latency between two network connections. These connections can be either in the local area network or a wide area network or the internet as a whole. The ping command sends packets of information to a specified IP address and then measures the time it takes to get a response from the specified computer or device. Ping can also be used in a multi-user LAN to see if a particular user is online in the system, where all system has database support for all the local users. You can also run a remote ping. This allows you to ping an IP address or computer from a computer other than yours to see if the problem may be associated with your local connection other than the IP address you are trying to connect to. Let's open up terminal and type ping -h. Here you can see that basic usage with options, that is ping options, -c count, -i interval, and so on. Type the IP or website address that you want to ping. If you want to ping Google, type www.google.com after the space. If you want to ping your router, it might be 192.168.0.1. Type ping 192.1.68.0.1. Hit enter. If the website is up and actively responding, you receive replies back from the server that you pinged. You get the information like the IP address, the number of bytes sent, the time it took in milliseconds, the TTL is time to live. This indicated the number of hops back from computer pinged from that computer's initial TTL value. Press Ctrl+C to stop the command operation. Here you can see that lower the round trip number in milliseconds, the better. Higher the round trip number in milliseconds, higher the latency, which may indicate a network problem between your computer and the server you pinged. So that's it in this video on ping testing network connection in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.